Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your relocation service businesses. As a relocation service provider, you got many queries from your clients regarding the shifting of their houses, offices, etc. as well as the pricing, payment details and delivery timelines. Responding each and every client manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customers send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create an WhatsApp chatbot for your relocation service business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of relocation service. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Relocation Service, your trusted partner for hassle-free relocation. Whether you are moving a home or office, how can I assist you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is view our services, relocation cost and contact us. If I'll click on view our services, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some details of the services they are providing to their clients. If I'll click on relocation cost, then it will ask me to please choose a type of relocation that I want to do while providing me 3 options, that is home relocation, office relocation and vehicle transport. If I'll click on home relocation, then it will ask me to provide my full name. Here I am giving my name. Here I write it. After that, you can see the bot will ask me to provide my address. So here I am providing my test address. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will ask me for the size of my house, that is 1 BHK or 2 or 3 BHK or 4 BHK plus villa. If I'll click on 2 or 3 BHK, then it will respond to me like this. Thank you Mehruz Khan, your relocation details have been received. Our team is preparing your yacht and will get in touch soon. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly. If you want to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your relocation service, then you have to follow step-by-step direction that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template, It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our relocation service businesses, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. If you want to activate some specific features in your WhatsApp chatbot, then you can enable this toggle. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your client that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account. Now I want to add one welcome message for my clients. For that I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to the relocation service. I am uploading one image here because it sounds impactful and interesting towards customer. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I want to add one welcome message for my clients that will go with this image. For this I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my welcome message. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it the message, while at the end of this message I'll ask my clients that how can I assist you today. For answering this I am providing them some buttons to them. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as view our services. The second button I'll write relocation cost and the third button I'll write is contact us. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. After that, if my clients wants to know about the services that are available in my relocation service business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the details about the services that are available in my relocation service business. Here I write it. After that, if my clients wants to know about the relocation cost of their home, office or vehicle, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, where I can write some options about the relocation service that are provided by my relocation service business. Here I write it. While in this, I'll provide some types of the relocation that are available in my relocation service business. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first relocation type as home relocation. The second type I'll write is office relocation, and the third type I'll write is vehicle transport. Here I write it. After that, if my clients wants to know about the home relocation, then they will click on this button. For this, I am clicking on this action option and choose the button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing the response message for my clients that please provide me your full name. Here I write it. Here I select contact custom field as full name. I already created this contact custom field. You can create any contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on the setting option, and here the option is there, contact custom field. If you want to know detailed video of how to create contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I'll select the format as text because name should always be entered in the format of text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and I don't want to write any validation message, so I am leaving this blank. If you want to, then you can write here. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of home relocation to the message I write it here. It is connected. And now in the next step, when my clients will provide me their name, then my bot will ask them about their address. For this, I am again taking one ask question button. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and entering the message for my clients that please provide your home address. Here I write it. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as address and the format I'll write as text. Here I write it and the number of attempt will be 1. Now I'll connect this circle to this circle. Here it is connected. After that, my clients will provide me both these information, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and entering the respond message here. Here I write it. Now at the end of this, I'll ask my client that please select the size of your current home. For that, I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write the first size as 1 BHK or studio. The second size I'll write is 2 or 3 BHK. And the third size I'll write is 4 BHK or villa. Here I write it. After that, if my client select any of these options, then the response would be the same. For this, I am taking one text button, drag this message box here and entering the respond message. Here I write it. You can see I use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. Now I'll connect this circle to this to this and this to this. The response would be the same. Here it is completed. Now the second one is the office relocation. When my clients wants to relocate their office, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am also taking one another question button. I'll make the copy of this question box by clicking on this. It will provide me one copy. I'll drag this box here. The process would be the same that we were writed here. After that, I'll connect this circle to this circle so that whenever my clients click on this office relocation button, at first my bot will ask me about their full name, then their address. Again, I'll make the copy of this, drag this box here and connect this to this. After that, when my clients provide me both the details, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and entering the message here. While at the end of this message, I'll ask my clients that let's begin with your office size. So here I am providing them some office size by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can provide first size as 1 to 10 employees. The second size I'll write is 11 to 30 employees and the third size I'll write is 30 employees. Here I write it. After that, when my clients will select any of these options, then the response would be the same. For this, I am taking one text button, drag this message box here and entering the respond message. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect this circle to this message, this circle to this and this to this. The response would be the same. In this message also, I'll use this dollar symbol because with the help of this, the bot will respond to my clients by their name. Here it is completed. After that, the third option is the vehicle transport. If my clients wants to transport their vehicle, then my bot will respond to them. For this, the step would be the same that we will do in both of these. That is, first bot will ask their name, then their address, then the respond message. Here I am taking one another copy of this, Drag this question box here and connect this circle to this. Here it is connected. After that, now I am providing some more respond message in this vehicle transport service. For this also, the second step would be the same, that please provide your address. Here I am taking another copy of this message, drag this box here and connect this circle to this circle. Here it is connected. After that, when my clients will provide me both of these address, then the response would be, for this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button and entering the respond message here. Here I write it. Basically, the step would be as it is same for all of these three. Now the third one is the contact us. If my clients wants to know about the contact details of my relocation service, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I'll drag this line here, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write the contact details. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically, this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your relocation services. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of relocation service, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Relocation Service, your trusted partner for hassle-free relocation, whether you are moving a home or office. How can I assist you today? While providing me three different options, that is view our services, relocation cost and contact us, that we were written here. See, view our services, relocation cost and contact us. If I'll click on relocation cost, then it will respond to me like this while providing me three relocation types, that is home relocation, office relocation and vehicle transport, that we were written here. See, home relocation, office relocation, vehicle transport. If I'll click on home relocation, then it will ask me to provide my full name. Here I am entering my full name. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will ask me for my address. Here I am providing them one test address. Here I write it. After that, it will ask me to please select the size of your current home, that is 1 BHK, 2 or 3 BHK or 4 BHK. If I'll click on 2 or 3 BHK, then it will respond to me like this while providing me my name. If I'll click on contact us, then it will provide me the contact details of this relocation service. So basically, this is how our chatbot will work and this is how our bot will respond to our customer automatically, instantly. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.